In this video, I'm going to answer a question a lot of Claude users ask. Can you reset the Claude limit? The short answer is no. You cannot manually reset Claude's usage limit yourself. Claude's limits are managed automatically by Anthropic, and they reset on a schedule based on your plan. So if you've hit your limit, don't worry, because there are still a couple of simple things you can do right away. If this kind of quick tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more useful AI tips. First, let's clear up how the limit works. Claude usage limits are not something you can turn off, edit, or refresh manually. Whether you're on a free plan or a paid plan, the platform controls the usage window for you. In many cases, the app will show you when your limit is expected to reset, and that timing is usually based on a rolling 5-hour period for session limits. That means your access comes back automatically after the waiting period ends. So if Claude says you've reached your limit, the best first option is simply to wait for the reset. This is the safest and most accurate option because nothing is broken, and there's usually nothing you need to fix. If you keep using Claude heavily, especially for long chats, file uploads, or repeated prompts, you may run into the cap faster than expected. That's normal. The system is designed to manage overall usage and keep performance stable. Now, if you need more access and waiting is not ideal, your second option is to upgrade your plan. Paid plans usually come with higher usage limits, which means you can continue working longer before reaching the cap. This is especially useful if you use Claude for writing, research, coding, or daily productivity tasks. If you rely on it often, upgrading can save you time and interruptions. A good tip is to pay attention to the reset message inside the app. Claude often gives you a rough idea of when your usage will become available again. That can help you plan your next session instead of guessing. Also, try to make your prompts more efficient. For example, combine related questions into one message, keep your instructions clear, and avoid sending unnecessary repeated prompts. That can help you stretch your usage further before hitting the limit. So to recap, no, you cannot manually reset Claude's limit. You need to wait for the automatic reset or upgrade your plan if you want higher usage limits. That's the simplest answer. If this video helped, please tap like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.